Hello everyone, from Tony, the Scout Ghost. As you can see, I have some scissors here because I want to open this package with you. Inside there are some super cool smart glasses by RayNeo, so follow me. Okay, so let me open this package with these super powerful scissors. I hope not to cut also the glasses that are inside. And inside the package there is another package. So let's throw this away. And inside this package there is another package, but this is the official one. You can see this is the container of the glasses, holder. So let's open them together. So you can see this is the cage where you can put the glasses. There is nothing inside apart from them. There is just with the X3 Pro because that's the name of the gadget. So it's TCL RayNeo XR3 Pro. So this looks, by the way, very solid. And these are the glasses, so which is the most important thing. So see it from all the sides. Here there is clearly a touchpad to control the glasses. Here also there is a touchpad, a button, maybe to turn them on. I still have no idea. These look like speakers maybe. Also these are speakers. And this is another button. I don't know for what. Maybe changing the volume. But here to adapt it to the nose, there are the lenses, and you can see in the lenses already there is this square that shows what will be, I guess, the place where the virtual elements can be seen. And basically that's it. In front you can also see the camera of the device. I guess that should hold maybe some microphone, maybe for removing the noise for when you are speaking with them with your voice. And that's it. So these are the glasses. This actually should be AR glasses, not only smart glasses, but I still have to try them. And I forgot to show you this USB-C port to which you can connect this with your phone. So I'm going to test them in the upcoming days and we'll let you know about my considerations with them and my experiments with them. So that's it. So that's it for today. As you have noticed, this is not like the official unboxing of the full box, but just of the glasses they sent me inside the original holder. But it's still been cool to have opened them with you, and look how cool I am with them on. So in the next days I will make some tests with them and we'll let you know my considerations about the RayNeo X3 Pro. So if you like this video as usual, like and subscribe, give me a lot of money on Patreon. I love you all. Have a good day in the India.